Hydrology and Water Resource Engineering, Unit 4, Spillways. Spillway. A spillway is a overflow portion of dam over which surplus discharge flow from a reservoir to the downstream. From upstream side to the downstream side, the water may flow. This is called spillway. For safety, the spillway should have sufficient capacity to discharge flood likely to occur during the lifetime of the dam. And the location of the spillway. Spillway may be provided within the body of the dam. A spillway may sometime be provided one side or both sides of the dam. Sometime bypass spillway is provided, which is completely separate from the dam. Next, what are the types of spillway? Are free overflow fall or straight drop spillway, OJ or overflow spillway, side channel spillway, chute or open channel or trough spillway, conduit or tunnel spillway, drop inlet or shaft or morning glory spillway. Next, last one, chiffon spillway. Water flow over a literally thin spillway crest and falls freely to the downstream. Usually appropriate for thin dams having almost vertical down faces. This type of spillway may be economical for low head as compared with the low overflow spillway because of serving in concrete. Not recommended for high head because of structural instability problem. Suitable artificial protection should be provided to avoid scar-free overflow or straight drop spillway. Next, overflow spillway is also called OJ spillway, which is in the shape of S. This type of spillway allows the passage of a flood wave over its crest. Widely used in gravity dams, arch dams, buttress dams, etc. Overflow spillway, which is controlled, gated and guided, which is uncontrolled, ungated and free. Almost all recently constructed dams are installed with crest gate to store more water in the reservoir overflow or OJ spillway. Next one, side channel spillway. Side channel spillway discharge characteristics of the side channel spillway are similar to those of an ordinary outflow spillway and are dependent on the selected profile of the weir crest. Although the side channel is not hydraulically efficient nor inexpensive, it has advantages which make it adaptable to spillway where a long overflow crest is required in order to limit the afflux surcharge held to cause flow and the abutment are steep. Next one, chute spillway are used in flowways where water is to be lowered from one level to another where it is desirable to avoid a silting basin. These are mostly used with earth dams. The advantages are it can be provided or any type of foundation, simplicity of design. However, this type of spillway should not be provided where too many bends are to be given as a topography. Next one, conduit or tunnel spillway, where a closed channel is used to convey the discharge around the dam through the adjoining hillsides. The spillway is often called a tunnel or conduit spillway. The closed channel may take the form of a vertical or inclined shaft, a horizontal tunnel through earth or rock, or a conduit constructed in open cut and backfilled with earth material. Tunnel spillway are advantageous for dam site in narrow gorge with steep abutment, at site where there is a danger to open channel from rock side from the hills adjoining the reservoir. Next one, shaft spillway. If sufficient space is not available for an overflow spillway, the shaft spillway may be considered. In the site of the shaft spillway, seismic action should be small, ships geologic formation should be available, and possibility of floating debris is relatively small. This type of spillway is not suitable for large capacity and deep reservoir because of stability problem. Special designs are required to handle cavitation damage at a transition between shaft and tunnel. Repair and maintenance of shaft spillway are difficult. Next one, chiffon spillway. A chiffon spillway may be constructed in the body of the concrete dam when space is not available for an overflow spillway. And what are the disadvantages of chiffon spillway are the flow would result excessive vibration in the dam body which may cause expansion problem in the joints. There is a possibility of cavitation for negative pressures which is affected by the head between upstream and downstream water level. Repair and maintenance of chiffon spillway are difficult. It has a limited capacity. And here we see what are the types of spillway. and what are the advantages and disadvantages of all the 7 types of spillway. Thank you.